Welcome back to the Spreadsheet Edit channel. So this is the part 2 on the activity tracker. So today we will come into the summary part, okay, and this one's right because this one is the most fundamental one, okay. So this actual start and actual end will be the manual input based on the time, okay, actual time, okay. So this is the expected time, I mean the target time, okay. And then because now this one's right is all will everyone will be delayed. Previously we have tested this one, okay. So this one will show all delays okay. So and for the delays we have a start delay and end delay and also both delay. So at either one is also considered delay, so that's why the standard become delay over here, okay. So for these ones, right, okay, then we'll come to the summary, because as you can see over here, what we can do over here, right, in the summary, basically there's nothing one, okay. So like we only can count how many been started, because there's no further breakdown of the activity type, okay. So it's just brand activity, so we just have one row over here, how many not started, how many delay, how many started yet, how many completed, how many start delay, and then how many end delay, or both, okay. So from here basically, right, what you can do over here, we are using the count if, okay. So for this one will be quite straightforward, because we are using the based on the status over here, okay. So for ease of calculations, right, we always use count if with the x1, okay, okay, which is a plural multiple conditions, okay. So the first one over here, right, so we go to the details here, we based on always based on this status, okay. So this is the status, and then we just go over here until here, okay. And of course this one we need to absolute reference it, okay. Then back back over here, so basically it's a b2, so as simple as that. So this one done already, so basically we can drag over here from here until here, okay. So this is the things, okay. And for the delay breakdown, right, okay, there are 20 over here. So what we're going to do over here, right, basically we can do some things like, okay, uh, also use the count if, so which is quite straightforward over here. You just go to detail over here, and then you see this one start, okay. So and until here, and of course as reference, and just now we put y, okay. So basically this is y, and of course I need to change my keyboard, okay. So this one the h, as you can see this one hi, okay. So and then we drag over here, and then this one change to I, okay. So the next one, how we will calculate both, okay. So for both, right, what we're going to do is, okay, let's say this one, this is first one, okay, and the second one will be the I, okay, column I put T, is it? Yeah. That's all done, okay. So basically this is the things, okay. So if I want to change amend the readings, right, okay. So from here, let's say the time over here, right, so basically we can change the time, okay. So we change this one to maybe okay, so it will become like this, okay. So when you go over here, the things will decrease one, okay. So like for example over here, right, okay, so this one, let's say I copy the time, actually I copy the time over here, I paste over here, I purposely paste, okay. So there's no start and end, okay. Let's say I purposely make this one, right, make it to the become 20 minutes. Okay, so the things over here, right, okay, is completed. Okay, so that is completed, but somehow over here, right, we need to slightly change this delay, okay, because we cannot rely fully on the delay also. Okay, so this one's right, we need to consider whether the things is there any delays over here, so we need to add another columns under the delay column here. Okay, so by right here will be 19. Okay, so the delay columns, right, we will base on column J instead of based on the status over here. Okay, so this delay will be slightly different, so this one will be column J. And this one will be changed to Y. Okay, so this will get the collect readings. Okay, so from here, right, you can amend slightly over here. Basically you need to change it to so it's slight difference compared to the Excel. We press shift, so you need to drag up the column inside over here. So this is a breakdown, so this one makes more sense over here. So in the 90, okay, so you see, okay, there are 90 over here, so 19 start delay, and then they are out of these ones, right, 19, right, and the 18 right is end delay, and then both delay which is used at the either one. Okay, so both also delay, so there are 18 numbers there. So from here, right, we can see only one start delay, okay, without the end delay. Okay, so this is the thing. In order to do the things over here, right, basically we have another calculations for this one. Okay, so you can see the next one will be as at the time now. Okay, let's say the time over here, right, the timestamp. Okay, the timestamp over here, right, that's why I change back this one too. Actually I should change the time because there are things that drag the uh, videos. I will for this video because quite busy because my project goes live and then I need to support from time to time. That's why the video been delayed to deliver. Okay, okay, so this one is the most basic one, and then I bold this one as well, and of course you can make it colorful as well. Okay, so for the other one, right, okay, so the cut over, you can do the calculations over here. Let's say the status, right, okay, so the completion over the percentage, right. Okay, so like for example, you can calculate based on this one. Okay, so how many completed. Okay, so like for example the timestamp over here. Okay, we can do the timestamp across the things. Okay, so the next video we'll talk about how we going to do the timestamp over here. Okay, so like for example the current time, right. Okay, so we can based on these parameters, right. Okay, these are the parameters, and of course I will amend to fit to the current date time, so that we can see more query over here. For this one also will be re-update accordingly. Okay, then we will have a timestamp based on the timestamp over here, since we got no choice over here. Okay, so we drag the timestamp as a so we are based on the end time. Okay, so as of the end time, let's say we can set it as an hour, also hour basis, and then at this specific time. Okay, or you want to see current time also can. Okay, you put the now, and you calculate how many completion over the all this okay. So from here there are 20, okay, let's say completed 2, right? 2 over 20 will be 10%, okay. So some sort of that it will come out like this, okay. So it can be elaborate, even complicated, okay. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.